What's up, fellas? So we're back at it, fixing another person's problem or another dealer's problem that they didn't think about ahead of time. So 14 kW, and as you can see, they put it on pressure treated 6x6s. I know everyone thinks that pressure treated should last forever. It does not. We're gonna replace them with 12-inch 12 by 8 by 16 cinder blocks filled with concrete. This is going to be time lapse, so enjoy. Alright, so we're back at it. We waited a few days for the concrete to cure. It's solid, and so now we're gonna go Egyptian style. We use a 3-inch Schedule 40 PVC pipe, roll the unit on that, and that'll get us just about to the same height as the pad there. Throw it back on time lapse. We'll see how it goes. So the most important thing you can do with a battery is clean it. We clean the battery connections every time you disconnect it. It's just the way we have become, that's just the way we've created a habit of doing things. All points of contact need to be clean. Even if they look clean, clean them again. This is what we use. Just a little spray. Positive first. 1/2 inch or 13 millimeter. These are lead. Don't over torque them. Light little spray on top. You're good to go. Now this is the fun part. It's got to go in on an angle, and then right underneath here, this part has to go underneath here on the other end. Or these are two 10 millimeter bolts. Remove those, give you a little extra space, then you could either put that back or don't. It's not the end of the world. It's a good idea to have it back in place though. And that's it. So we're all set. And here goes the test run. So that hunting issue was attributed to increased fuel flow, but lack of airflow. We cleaned up some of the gas work behind the generator, as you could see when Gio was doing that. And when you increase fuel flow, you got to increase airflow. This model unit had an issue. I guess it's called a service bulletin. Yeah, service bulletin. That they didn't have enough airflow through the air intake. Anyway, it's back up and running and back in service. Thanks for watching.